Is tonight the night? You're welcome. And we also going to go down here.
And her opponent, honoring the biggest champion, Hart.
Yeah, that's stunning. That's stunning.
He's feeling that momentum. We just Buddy Matthews about Julia Hart.
Will leave St. Louis with the TBS.
That's right. Chris Stadler favors Julia Hart on the floor. The box.
Yes. What has done to her the past few weeks? This
Willow Nightingale championship to her. If you looked at the foot of Willow. Oh, sent over. The bear.
Okay, Stokely.
Yeah, get off of me, man.
Repeatedly. This would be a New Japan Strong Women's Championship. Willow, Mercedes Moné, and we heard from Mercedes, Tony. Julia Hart. Oh, there we could be. Julia Hart could be Willow Nightingale.
Ludicrous. It is preposterous. All of a sudden, become number one.
See, still feeling the effect. Back towards her TBS title. Far right hooked, and that right arm free.
And of course, hasn't lost a match in singles competition.
I mean, on many things.
Willow Nightingale trying to fight her way back into this match. To the back of Julia Hart. Gets Julia Willow. Well, that might happen from this. Oh, using her flexibility. Look at Willow Nightingale. Willow finally covering up, but the
thing that she has been put through the past few months.
Toes to it. Kick out. Willow coming corner. Big lariat. And oh, the drop kick, Julia lured her.
But she's fighting.
The Heartless is locked in. Nightingale.
Yeah, you are right, Excalibur. If she wants it, coming.
As Willow up to her feet, but now Julia able to kick out. Oh, thrust kick.
She got that dog in her.
But Willow using those power up. Julia in, but the legs. That
had some time to move.
The moves up. Oh, boots up. And the lariat by Willow. Oh, bang!
She got it! She got it!
Whoa!
Chuck E. Cheese, here we go!
Street-making moment, boys! What a 2023, now 2024 TBS champion. Congratulations, Willow Nightingale. In front of the sold-out crowd in St. Louis, in front of boys, we got company. Mercedes Moné watching in the back. The moment from Willow. Willow just won the TBS title. Mercedes just, in my opinion, just taking that from her.
Yeah, that is a great call, Ted. Bringing the title, everybody started chanting CEO.
That's what it's got. You gotta have an ego. You gotta have
little payback for what happened in New Japan Pro.
Mercedes wants. Oh, look, double or nothing. They're on the screen. Mercedes will be Mercedes Moné, the CEO. Channel fans like that come the 26th of May.